mission of Hope for Children is simple: to better protect and promote the rights of every child. From its start, we have set high standards in the field of children's rights nationally and internationally, while connecting with international agencies, including the Council of Europe and the United Nations. Hope for Children is currently active in 8 countries in Europe, Africa, and the United States. Our work is multifaceted and prioritizes ensuring the well-being of children, their access to education, and the prevention of any kind of violence against them, with a focus on providing free psychosocial and legal support to children and families. At the same time, our humanitarian work is empowered through the implementation of local, national, and transnational programs that involve research, capacity building for professionals, and policymaking on issues pertaining to children's rights. We bring together judges, lawyers, psychologists, medical practitioners, counselors, mental health professionals, media representatives, child care workers, teachers, and allied professionals to contribute through their practical skills and know-how with the goal of safeguarding the interests of the most vulnerable social groups, children and youth. Our aim is to identify priority areas for intervention and to design strategies to address concrete problems. These strategies include professionals in the field of child protection through training events, seminars, roundtables, as well as non-formal education activities for children and young people. The assessment of priorities is done through our direct work with children and families, as well as through constant monitoring of European and international level policy recommendations. Our ability to do this has been enhanced by achieving participatory status in the Council of Europe, a status given to international non-governmental organizations, as well as observer status on the Lanzarote Committee of the Council of Europe, which further facilitates our active role and cooperation with the Council of Europe and other INGOs. Our humanitarian work involves the operation of the Homes for Hope, network of shelters for unaccompanied children who are under the guardianship of the state. The Children's House, based on the Icelandic model for the support of sexually abused children, which we operate in cooperation with all the relevant government services, and the operation of several helplines for the support of children, adolescents, and for the missing children, as well as the Child Alert for missing children. We also contribute to the foster care system by offering specialized services to foster parents, while we dedicate significant resources to the implementation of educational and experiential workshops to children of all levels of public and private schools, aiming to prevent bullying, abuse, online grooming, and exploitation, and any type of discrimination against children. Children's participation is always a priority in our work, which is why we designed the CRC Campus Club program for schools, with children who join having a common and strong desire to become aware of their rights and obtain the tools to be able to stand up and advocate for themselves and their peers. They become ambassadors of Hope for Children, promoting children's rights both in their schools and in their communities. Their voices are heard through the channels we open for them. We are grateful to all stakeholders, individuals, public and private entities that have been a crucial part of our journey in many ways and whose support has enabled our organization to expand and develop, reaching out to more and more children on a daily basis. It is certain that our success so far is the result of very hard work, of teamwork, and of the culture sustaining the organization, which, embodied by professionalism, respect, common vision, have the best interests of children as a priority above all else. We realize the extent of our impact when so many children and families know and trust the organization, its professionals, when children find care and protection in foster families as a result of our work, when children find the strength to break their silence about what they are going through, when we make a real change in children's lives.